I'm a mum of 2 boys and 2 dogs, and we're just a screaming, mad, normal family of primary school kids, and where's your hat, and why haven't you got this, and oh my God, what do you mean we have this afternoon? I work in town, so on Mondays and Tuesdays I drop off 2 kids to another school, and then I drop off mine, and then I go to work, have a coffee and chill and enjoy the quiet for a bit, and then do a double pick-up again in the afternoon and bring her kids home, and we sort of, that's what neighbours do, you look after each other. So we were doing a lot of rugby, which involved a lot of travelling, and then we pulled it back to soccer, but 2 different age groups, 2 different directions, one morning in Millthorpe, one afternoon in Cudell. You just pick it up and you go. It would be really nice to have the 7 seats so that the kids can go up the back and we can take the grandparents, or we can pick up another couple of kids with ease because they're only going to get bigger. A bit of comfort would be nice because, you know, I'm looking forward to being able to return to Sydney when it's not germy, and to go down and do that sort of drive with ease and with comfort, and to be able to chuck the dogs in the back or the bikes in the back and just go. Yeah, I want to do more road trips, and our little car at the moment does get a bit squashed.
What the heck? Buy a new car?
I didn't buy a new car. Click clack. What are you doing?
This is a nice car.
It's a very nice car. It's a very nice car. It's so quiet. Like, so quiet. Beautiful, comfortable car to drive. Really, I enjoyed it a lot. I'm just surprised it just hums along. But the kids' expressions was, have we got this car? This is so cool. Andrew's been saying for the past 24 hours, Mummy, we've found our car. Henry talks a lot. He howled the whole way, which was excited howl. Yeah. The Bluetoothing in the phone thing, so that you don't have to touch your phone at all, you just, beautiful. Thank you. And it's very luxurious for that. And for the price, it's really good value for money.
Because it has so many little features that all add up to so good. It's a big car.
It is a big car. Yeah, you really love it too.
Yes, I do.
I'd buy it tomorrow.
Yeah.
I really would. It's a great, comfortable family car.